Class 11th Commerce, Subject Business Studies, Chapter number 1, Evolution and Fundamentals of Business, Lecture number 6, Case Studies. Today I am teaching you case studies and see the meaning. What is the meaning of case studies? Case studies are the situations that are given to you in the form of question, and the answers to those case studies, it always depends upon the study that you have done. If you have studied thoroughly, then you will be in position to reply all the case studies smartly. Let us move on to case study number 1. Anu, she is a doctor, well-known orthopedic doctor in Agra. She runs her private hospital, and the name of her hospital is Joint and Bone Clinic. First number, identify the type of economic activity that Anu is engaged in. You have to do some identification of economic activity. Point number 2, state any 3 features of the type of economic activity as identified in part A. Means whatever identification you do in part number 1, in part number 2 you have to write 3 features of that identified economic activity. Answer of case study number 1. First number, Anu is engaged in profession. Second number, the 3 features of the profession are, listen, the economic activity that has been identified, that is profession. And now the 3 features of the profession, they are on your screen. See. A number, profession includes those activities which require special knowledge and skills to be applied by the individuals in their occupation. In profession, skills, special knowledge, they all are required. So only then the individuals can do their occupation. For profession, I am giving you some example. If anybody wants to be doctor, in that case, the person will have to study MBBS. Again, to become doctor is a profession. All doctors, they require special knowledge. For eyes, doctor is separate. For nose, doctor is separate. ENT doctors are separate. ENT doctors, they never solve the problems of eyes. It is very clear that special knowledge and skills are required. And for this, they have to study. And to become a doctor, it is a profession. Profession includes those activities which require special knowledge and skills to be applied by the individuals in their occupation. B number, a professional is expected to abide by the guidelines laid by professional bodies. It means whatever the professional bodies has made some rules, regulations, a professional has to obey all those rules and regulations. C number, transfer of interest. It is not possible in case of profession. If your father is doctor, on his degree, his son, you cannot practice as a doctor. If you want to be doctor, you will have to study. As in case of business, if Mr. B is the owner of shop and because of some reason Mr. B dies, then the son of Mr. B, he will take over the shop. But this taking over, this transfer of interest is not possible in case of profession. It is only possible in case of business. Case number 2. Aman is a boy. He is running a take-away fast food joint in Delhi. Take-away means you give your order will be packed and you can take it wherever you like. You can consume, you can eat that. Aman is running a take-away fast food joint in Delhi under the name of Swad. Swad is the name of his restaurant. Recently, when his cousin Rahul organized a party at his place, he had placed an order for food at Swad worth rupees 5,000. It means Aman's cousin is Rahul. Both are cousins. So Rahul ordered some eatable items worth rupees 5,000. After that, however, Aman declined to take money from Rahul. When Rahul offered him money, he denied because of love and affection for him. And now see, this is the situation. Now move on to the question which are connected with this question. First number, will this activity be classified as a business activity? Now it depends on you. What reply will you like to do? Second number, mention the related feature of business. It means which feature will be applicable in this business, in this situation. Answer of case study number 2. No, this activity will not be classified as a business, as you people know that business should be done on a regular basis. And very much important thing, buying and see. Here definitely the exchange has taken place, but there is no exchange of money. There should be exchange of money. It should not be a gift. Aman gifted some food items to his brother's celebration because he did not take money. Until and unless money takes place, it is no business. Second number, the related feature is sale or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. See, sale or exchange did not take place, but definitely satisfaction of human needs, satisfaction of the party, satisfaction for Rahul that he has got some very good eatable items from his cousin's shop. It is only done. This related feature is sale or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. It is the answer to question number 2. Now case study number 3. Iti is a girl. She was doing a research on banking sector for her assignment. While browsing through the website of RBI, Reserve Bank of India, she came across a specimen of a type of hundi. उसको हुंडी का एक specimen मिला, which is like any other bearer instrument. First of all, listen, what is the meaning of bearer instrument? Bearer instrument means कि जो पेज भी आपका रिटर्न डॉक्यूमेंट है वो जिसके भी पास है उसको पैसा देंगे. That is bearer instrument. Hundi, which is like any other bearer instrument and is payable to the holder of the bearer. Bearer means जिसके पास में है उसको पैसा मिल जाएगा. And is payable means money is payable to the holder of the bearer. A number, what is hundi? And now see, situation has been given to you. Now you have to reply these 3 questions. On A number, what is the question? What is hundi? B number, identify the type of hundi being described above. C number, describe briefly any 2 other types of hundis. Answer of case study number 3. A number, a hundi is a negotiable and transferable financial instrument. पहले समझिए, negotiable माने कि भाई पैसा आप कम ज़्यादा करिए. You can do like this कि भाई थोड़ा कम थोड़ा ज़्यादा. It can be done like this. Negotiation हुआ. And then transferable financial instrument means it can be given to anybody. It is the meaning of transferable financial instrument. That instrument can be given to anybody, given money, transferable. That involve जिसका जो कब आया था एग्जिस्टेंस में? ड्यूरिंग मेडिवल इंडिया, in order to facilitate trade and credit transactions. Hundi, on the basis of hundi, the credit transactions could be done. On the basis of hundi, trade was in comfort zone. Because hundi was facilitate होता है बेटे, help करना. Hundi was helping trade and it was helping in doing credit transactions. Answer to B number, it is Dhani Jog. Dhani Jog Hundi is the type of financial instrument which is being described above. C number, two other types of hundis. Other types of hundi, there are many types of hundis. In previous lecture I have taught you Farman Jog Hundi and Darshani Hundi. These are the varieties of hundis. Homework, revise chapter carefully. It is chapter number 1. Test is on 4th May. Thank you so much.